The Rocky Mountain high produced by cannabis might soon be going away. Yeah, one of my viewers sent me an interesting article. I'm going to post it. The title is Nebraska, Oklahoma Sue Over Amendment 64. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with Amendment 64, that's where 55% of the vote, the question is how many people voted in Colorado to allow marijuana to be legalized. Well, the state's going to haul in a cool, close to a cool $100 million just in marijuana taxes. Gives you kind of an idea as to how many people are roaming around stoned. But in either case, a couple of attorney generals, one from Nebraska and one from Oklahoma, and what they're requesting is an injunction before the Supreme Court of the United States. And if they prevail, the state of Colorado will be ordered to stop regulating the sale of adult-use cannabis, pursuant to Amendment 64. And what that does is it effectively terminates the program. Does this sadden me? No. I hope it all comes together. And I hope all of those folks that moved to Colorado so they could blow weed go back to wherever they came from. Yeah, this is crazy, folks. It was crazy to begin with. And that Governor Hoop and Flopper, or whatever his name is, you know, he went ahead and he pushed this thing so he thought he could keep getting reelected. The thing that doesn't make any sense is how it was allowed to take place in the first place. See, the problem that I have is when I say 55% of the vote, how many people actually voted? Now, for those that didn't vote, that don't smoke marijuana, that don't agree with people in their state being stoned most of the time, which a lot of them have to be, I mean, to go through $100 million in taxes in 1 year? What's their tax rate? 10%? So what's that? That's $1 billion went up in smoke? You think that the drug cartels walked away from that kind of earnings? No. People will still get stoned. They'll still have access to crack or whatever else they want. But all of these stores that are profiting and all of this tax-based money is going to go away, as it should. And I hope the same thing happens. Well, I suspect that if it happens in Colorado, it'll happen in the state of Washington as well, because the same kind of event applies there. It's really interesting. You know, I've been doing a couple of videos this morning on marijuana, and then one of my viewers sends me this interesting article. The Rocky Mountain High might soon be leaving the Rocky Mountain area. Just thought I'd share what I believe to be good news. So what do you think? I told you what I think.